Hello there, lovelies. Thank you again and welcome to Habenero's Recipes. In today's video, I'm sharing with you this super delicious, authentic Ghana KOOSE AKARA, like our friends Nigerians will call it, or fried bean cake. And this recipe was inspired by Obaapa's recipes, guys. Let's get right into it. So first, I soaked my beans overnight. I washed it thoroughly and then into my blender. I'll add my onion, habanero peppers, and then my eggs. You can add the eggs after you blend your beans, but I like to add my eggs at this point. And I'm sure someone will ask, can I remove the bean shells? Yes, you can remove the bean shells or the skin of the beans by using your blender at a pulse mode. Like I said earlier, guys, this recipe is inspired by Obaapa's recipe, guys. And it is so delicious. It tastes just like Ghana street style KOOSE. I'll add smoked paprika, ginger powder, and then I'll come in with some garlic powder. And at this point, if you have a hand mixer or a stand mixer, use it. I added my salt to taste, and then I used my whisk to beat this for a good 10 minutes until it was nicely fluffed up, okay? You want to do this because it makes a difference when you're frying it. So I'm all done fluffing it or whisking it, and I whisk it for 10 minutes like I said. And make sure to add the salt to taste. So I'll be going all out today with my KOOSE. I'm cracking my eggs. I'll add in some scallion and a pinch of salt, and then also beat it and set it on the side. I will be frying some of the KOOSE with the eggs inserted inside. And guys, exciting news. Going forward, I'll be dropping videos every Wednesday and Sundays for you guys. Oh, I'm super excited. I went ahead to heat up some soybean oil and I added in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Please don't skip this step. It makes a difference, guys. And the turnout is just like Ghana's street style KOOSE. Alright, so we'll be scooping this with an ice cream scooper. You can use a spoon to scoop it. When you're frying KOOSE, please don't rush the frying process. You want to fry this on a medium-high heat, not too low, not too high. We want it to be very well cooked on the inside, and we want the outside to be crispy. Please make sure you fry this on a medium-high heat, not too high, not too low. And like I said, don't skip the coconut oil. It takes this KOOSE to the next level, and it gives it that Ghanaian street style KOOSE taste, okay? I'm so glad I tried this recipe from Obaapa's recipes, guys. I'll leave a link to her YouTube channel in my description as well. If today's your first time on this channel, hello there and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. God bless you. So I'm all done frying the first batch. I've removed it, and then I'll begin to fry the second batch. And as you can see, I'm scooping it with my ice cream scooper as well. So with this one, I'm going to be scooping about a spoonful of my egg and scallion mixture into the upside of the KOOSE or the AKARA, and then I went ahead to turn it over to fry. And guys, this KOOSE is my favorite way of enjoying KOOSE, you know, with the eggs inserted inside. And I also fried this on medium-high heat. After it was well fried, I removed it out of the oil, and all what is left is to serve and enjoy. I hope you give this KOOSE recipe or AKARA recipe a try, and kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. I serve this with my Hausa cocoa, and I do have a couple videos on this channel if you want to learn how to make your own Hausa cocoa at home. This KOOSE recipe was indeed very delicious. Thank you so much for staying with me until this time. To my amazing returning subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to support. Thank you for always commenting, sharing my videos on your various platforms. God bless you. And until I come your way next time, please stay safe and stay blessed. Bye, guys.